Hello sweet soul and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ina and today we're going to enjoy a quick meditation to open our hearts and reconnect. So whenever you feel ready, find a comfortable seated position of your choice, allowing yourself to get all the wiggles out, maybe even starting with a little bit of movement and not feeling the need to sit perfectly still within the first second. So get all the wiggles out, maybe roll the shoulders up and back, rolling out your neck, allowing yourself to find a comfortable, grounding feeling, and allow yourself some time to settle. You can place your palms facing up on your knees or wherever else resonates with you today. Making sure your shoulders are coming back and down, your hips are grounding into the floor, and the crown of your head is reaching towards the sky. Let's start with 10 deep breaths, sealing your lips on your inhales, enjoying fresh and crisp air filling up your entire being, and slightly pulling the navel towards your spine on your exhales to getting rid of any stale air. If you feel safe, you can close your eyes or lower them, or maybe focus on something that you enjoy today. Deep breaths here, allow them to settle and center you. Maybe slightly tucking your chin to lengthen the base of your neck. On your next inhale, lifting your hands up all the way, maybe have your palms touch, maybe look up. And now let's focus for a moment on the 3 points of mindfulness, placing your thumbs between your eyebrows on your third eye, allowing it to relax. Then lower your thumbs to your lips And lastly, placing your thumbs on your heart space, allowing yourself to feel your heartbeat. Maybe placing both palms on your heart space. And just pay attention to your heartbeat and your breaths. Enjoying a couple more deep breaths here. Turning your focus inwards. And just enjoying being with yourself. If it resonates, you can also place the middle finger of your left hand between your eyebrows to enhance relaxation, and maybe inviting other sensations that come with it. Allowing yourself to pay attention and feel without judgment. If you want, you can bring your shoulders back and down and aim to clasp your hands behind your sacrum, opening up your heart physically even more and inviting more space, love and light into it. Focusing those next deep inhales on guiding them into your heart space to also have your breath create space in your body. If it feels good, wrapping yourself in a love-filled self-hug and just hold yourself for a little while. You can always find your beginning seat again. sit here until it feels right to continue with your day. Might be a couple of breaths or a couple of minutes. Whatever works for you today, please respect and honor that. Thank you so much for letting me guide you through today's short meditation. I hope you enjoyed it and that you feel more grounded, reconnected, and open for all the love and light that is heading your way. We bow down to respect our practice and show our gratitude. The love and light in me sees and honors the love and light in you. If this meditation inspired you to physically move your body, feel free to look at any other videos that are up on my channel for an additional asana practice. I appreciate you and hope to see you soon.